Okay, live. I think I'm live inside the group. It's me, Muhammad Ali here, guys. Trying to see if you can hear my voice. Then I can go ahead, right? And probably see if anyone picks up. Long time, long time no launch. So I guess it's time to launch a deal. I guess. And before I go ahead, I'm gonna talk about a few things, okay? And then we'll talk about you know uh, we'll talk about the deal, and then I'm gonna hold before you end the deal. I'm gonna hold one launch, sorry, one we're gonna have we'll give one code for free at the end of the session, so stick around so that you can win. We'll play then some random game and see who's gonna be there, so even if there's 50 of you, 100 of you, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. uh Okay, let me see here. I'm also waiting for the actually some of the team members. Um, Let me send this back to them. I will take the free code. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we're gonna give a free code at the end of this session, and the winner will get one. So don't worry, we're gonna have a very interesting session. Hopefully, let me tell these guys that I send them. So let's get as many people as possible. Now that Facebook allows people to tag everyone, make sure you tag them, everyone in the group. That's amazing. Just with one post, you tag everybody once a day. That's what they said. That's actually really why. How come they didn't do all these years before TikTok kicked them out? Imagine you just tag the whole, you know, group members with one tag. That's good news. Okay, let me see who's here. 1 second. Everybody's here. Everybody's here. So Dean, I see you. Um, I see Shaki. I see Ben. I see Michael. I see Joseph Atley. See you guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. So I'm just waiting for the other guys to join me. They're trying some technical stuff on their end, but it's gonna be okay. I'm using ecamm.live, so sometimes they got the issues with the guest problem. Hopefully, this is gonna work out. I don't have to switch to another tool. Now, in the meantime, uh, let's talk about the deal itself. I mean, not the deal, the details, but just generally what we're doing here. Okay, the last time we launched a deal was with you know in 2022 we launched only one deal, which is what came back, a joint secret, right? The reason is because I honestly didn't want to be part of the LTD scam, which is what things have become right now. So if I was to launch deals as much as Subsumo or anybody else is throwing deals, I thought I'll be helping scammers, and definitely it wasn't in my intention. But somebody like Leadcard scammed the community, and I still stand by that and try to work with him. It has been a very long story. But in the end of the day, we find that more deals are just like a good deal that I stacked. Perfect recall. The product itself was good. Suddenly they're like, we're gonna be shutting down, and then they start the new one by themselves. The thing is, you can only do so much when things happen, and then you're gonna be, tarnishing your name and your reputation and everything down the road. Money, you can get money, but I don't want to miss the comments. I'm getting nervous when I see something sometimes, because if the comments don't go good, I mean, if you guys notice something wrong, then I'm not attending to it. It will be, well, look who we have here. It's Momo. Okay, thank you. Really appreciate. Excellent. So I did not want to be part of the scam. Okay, and so unfortunately, the space is getting messed up. So we have to be very careful. This is why I only choose to work with very few people on very few products that I know, and that's my style now. I do have my own businesses. I have my own things going on. And so sometimes I really don't launch deals to make money and to sustain employees and all this stuff. I do it because I need the deal. I love it and I wanted to bring it to the community. And that's why we have it, we have this deal coming. So we have a reputation with Fikri, who is behind Utas, right? Or Utas, whatever you call it. And this product, we tried to launch it back last year. We had people complaining, and as soon as I saw that, I took it off immediately, and I said, Fikri, you want us to continue working together? Take this product back with you, fix all the issues. And then he said, okay, let me do it. We had a deal, we had already signed agreements and everything. um, and then he said, you know what, you're right, let's see the issues. So we took the feedback, we ran the product of the market, and then he took it back, he took all the feedback, fixed all the issues. But then to my surprise, he completely changed the whole game, right? It's completely different product right now because they have added so many features, and I haven't updated as much features uh, on the website yet. But with the next few days, we'll talk about all these features. And I'm just waiting for them to join me. Let me see if they're here. One more time. Sometimes it happens that they're trying to join me, but something's stopping them. I don't know why. Let me see here. Oh, okay. We're saying they're trying to come on board. If they don't come, I'm gonna go through the key features while they're coming. Right? Upgrades are good. Yeah. At the end of the day, again, we're gonna do some draw. So we'll give some pre-code, and so don't leave while I wait for these guys to come. If they don't come because of this technical issue they're facing, then don't worry. I'm gonna go through the key areas, but we'll bring Fikri as many times as possible so we can go through all the features. So you know what? Without further delay, I'm gonna wait for them, but I'm gonna go some of the stuff that I know. I have a brand new, fresh account which is not upgraded yet. I will show you what's there so you have an idea. We'll talk about all the questions you have. I have a lot of answers to some of the questions here. And then the rest, Fikri is going to come. But definitely, the reason why we're going with Fikri is that we did Cream with them, we did Mail with them. We have some history of them. They're not the most perfect company, as we know, but we know when something happens, they are very responsive. They're not the type who take your money and run away with it. They run different LTDs many times. We launched with them, Cream Email, you guys remember? They've been developing it, it's going on good. And then there was Mail, which a lot of you use actually. And when they have issues, they fix it. And then we have this product that I think is going to be a game changer to some extent. I'm trying to see it's a link shortener. No, it's a lot more than that. So let's go through some of the key issues here. Okay, let's see. Right, can you tell me the end result with this improved software? The end result is going to be, it's actually probably going to be one tool that you can do a lot of things with. It's all in one tool that you can sell something with it, you can do consultations with it, you can hold meetings on it, you can short links with it, you can sell products on it. Basically, it's an e-commerce platform as well. Digital products, sell licenses, right? Post things on Instagram, Facebook, so many things. We have all the details. So let me just show you, send emails directly from within the system, right? These are all the features that I see. So I'm gonna just share my screen while I'm gonna just check them on my phone if they come on board. Let's see here. And it's, by the way, it's 3 a.m. in Indonesia right now. I think so. Time in Indonesia, so probably they're having, yeah. Right now it's time in Indonesia right now. India is midnight. India is midnight right now. 2 a.m. in Indonesian time. So it's kind of late time for them, very late. Okay, so let's go through this and then I will share my screen, okay? So turn this around. And I promise that we'll do a draw in the end where every one of you who's here will have a chance to win a code, right? So let's do this. Screen sharing, that's my screen now. And then let's do this. Okay, that's what I had, right? So the products link, you can see, this is what we have. I'm gonna log in. So first of all, that's their website. So it's utas.io. How you pronounce it, I don't even know. but it looks beautiful. Nice landing page, looks good. Come in here. Now you can see this. This is what you get once you come into the inside of the product. I mean, of this tool that we're talking about. So the first thing is that, of course, you can uh, create a post, right? Direct link, or it will be an opt-in page. So it's a form. It will be a link. You can just post a link to something, post opt-in, or sell a digital product, right? So if you click on sell a digital product, you can describe the product itself, give it a title, description, and you can, put the pricing out there and choose the product delivery. It will be a redirect after purchase or a content where you can create a private content. You can have an embed of a YouTube, video, whether you can put the images here. You can handle the whole thing and publish it, right? So let's see how this is gonna. We'll go through it, but just quickly going through some of the features. We'll try to build some stuff in the next few days, and then see how it works. Even sell some licenses on it. See, okay, that's that's how that looks like, right? So the second one, I'm gonna create the post and do something else again. Create a post, a direct link. What does that mean? So this one will be now into the product or post link. So I can put, let's go to digital think, right? And then we have, okay, something is missing here. It looks like it. I'm gonna fix that soon. But this is the product itself, right? Go here, copy, and paste, and generate. So look, it automatically imports everything. It gives the title, so call it, it got all the description from the product. It got all the images and everything. And I can actually publish this. And when I do that, I have a product right here. So guess what? I can hide it. I can delete. I can view. I can do that. So let's try to view this in a new tab and how it's going to look like. And of course it didn't, I didn't select. Okay, there we go. You see that? So if you want to, like, let's say this, when can you use this one? I don't know if I have the language settings correctly done because I'm using an older version, but you can see it's saying next to this side, or grab the deal. Whatever content or wordings that I used, it says grab the deal. So you can see these are my different products. So if I say grab the deal, it's going to redirect me back to the digital thing website, right? So that's one. Or this could be the store design. This is the store that I have now. I have 1, 2, 3 different products. This is what I have. This is their language for sure. I haven't done the settings yet. I'm using just some random account. It's not my account that I use every time, but that's exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, let's see if there's any questions on that. Okay, so you can list all your products. So if you have an affiliate program or anything to sell, you can actually create a store out of this. And every store account, every store has its own product. And when you click on the product, it's going to give you a link or the buy. You can actually send it somewhere else. So it's just the buy button, right? You can share that. The next one, we can go ahead. So this is what I have. Okay, I think I have the language settings. Maybe let me see. English. Everything should be English, right? I'm gonna see if there's anything here. No, we'll go from there. So you can probably do RSS feed, right? There's YouTube podcasts. All this. These are sources, and that you can create. Let's say these are forms, and these are the different categories. So let's go back here again and create something else. An opt-in form. So if I want to create, I can put on my own HTML form, or I can actually create a built-in form. So call it whatever you want, and then I can attach a form. So from the list, I have a local lead scanner, select a product. I can put the image, all that stuff. So you can definitely create forms. So opt-in forms, which means you can get the leads right within this product, right? This is good. Another one. So we've tested the three ways. So either you have a direct link, opt-in form, or sell digital products. I think we did three of them. The second one is that of course you can customize the feel and design of the uh, in the end what you're getting. So if, for example, you have customers who are using different, let's say they have Instagram, right? Bio links. But the bio link here contains everything. Like you can have your YouTube channel, you can do consultations, you can do WhatsApp messages, follow link, all that. You can have it this way. If I change this, the design is going to change, right? You can see that everything will change. Let's change the format. That's, I think, how I have it. This is how you can have, you see all the different ways. Yeah, you can have it as a store, microsite, default, or it could be only just the links, and then have the products at the bottom there. So let's see if I have a store. This is what I have. If I have links, this is what I have. I'm going to change this, and then I can actually view this profile and see what it looks like. You can see this is how it looks. Any questions I have here? Let's see. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, excellent. Then let me see that. I don't know if I changed it. Save the changes, microsite, and I can view the profile. Microsite. Oh yeah, this is what, if I have more links, then it will go like different links. That's one product. But it should show me. If I have many links, it should definitely show me. So I don't have as many links as I should show. Let me see here how this looks like again. It's showing me all the same, I think. Or am I? Yeah, it's slightly changing things, moving things around, and you can see my products are here. But definitely, um, if you have the links, I think the links will show up there. Of course, different colors for the consultation. You can change some other colors. I see. I don't know what it is, but it could definitely change. And what else do we have here? Store design, all that stuff. Okay, consultation. This is interesting one. This is the new one that I saw. You can connect it with Google. I think you can connect it with Google. Let's just use any one of these. I'm just going to use this one. Google Meet and allow. So I have Google Meet. I can do video consultation or text consultation. This is very interesting one. So when you do video consultation, you can have appointments and everything, set up the days, select your the time that you'll be available. So many questions coming, I'm sure. 30 minutes. Wait. Sometimes I get nervous when I see a lot of questions coming through. Does it allow to connect domain name, or is it? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it does. It does. I'm going to answer all the questions. Okay, keep asking questions. Okay, so then you can connect you can put your price for the appointment, right? And put your description and the duration and create, okay, a description. This is my private consultation or something like this. This is actually the feature that's very interesting. This is new, by the way. When we first launched it, they didn't have anything to do with consultations, right? So let's go. And it's current. Please connect. Okay, let's try that. Wait, integrations. This is my Google. Go back. This is consultation. I thought I connected it. Connected, it says. So, okay, let me remove this. Google disconnect. Okay. Let's go back to consultation one more time. Connect with Google. Okay, I probably didn't give it full permission. Let's see. This is what they want. Share permanently delete all the calendars. No. Okay. Maybe that's why. I didn't give you the permission to do. Okay, let's see. These are my weekly hours, consultation, embed code, follow up, email follow up. So you can also enable email follow ups. Like you can put when the consultation happens, all the white label, consultation button label here, book now, right? It looks good here, but it's not already connected by April 2012. Please ignore if you already connected. Okay, I already connected it. Okay, perfect. Now, this is what I'm going to use. Embed. Okay, let's go to the link. When I go here, sorry guys, I think that's me misreading. If I go 30 minutes, look at this, okay? And now I can select time, July 27. Okay, into details. Oh no, wait. It says invite friends. Change topic, no, okay. This is test. Okay. Select the schedule, I did. Wait a minute. It's supposed to show me time, right? Yes. So when you click here, I have to click apply to see the time. So then I will say test. I don't know. By sending proceed. Full name. Oh, I have to create all these details. Okay. Anyways, you get the point. The point is that it's going to allow you, from what I hear or see, that you have to create a consultation link. So I guess that's unique to this. You can definitely see that. Let's see. You can see that, right? That the person has to sign in and fill all those details, I guess. But of course, your suggestions and everything is welcome. We are able to answer a lot of questions here. Okay, consultation is there, so that's done. By text, what does this mean now? Okay, this means you can create like topics here, sales, put descriptions here, and then reply on one per reply, pay per reply, one-time payment. Okay, and then you can put the price. Allow customers to. This is also another feature where you can allow customers to pay what they want. So like this could be good for donations, I think, right? And then you can create a link out of it, sales topic, something like this. You can see that. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but that's by text now. Topics. This is 30-minute at a topic, 30-minute text conversation. This is the same one. So let's go to consultation list by text, by topic, by video. Okay. Well, we'll get the explanations for this, I think. But let me see here the text one, how it works. I don't know. Maybe I haven't set up. Okay. I'll make sure that we get clarifications on this. But this looks like the follow-ups that also that you want to put as soon as somebody books or they opt in. Okay, posts. This is basically posting onto Facebook, and Instagram, all this. No, this are actually the posts of what you're doing, but you can also schedule posts on Instagram, on Facebook. So make a schedule. Instagram, Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook, I think, are already there. Connect to the Pinterest is also here. Coming soon, we have Connect. I don't know, maybe that's coming soon. But from the description, they told me you can also do Facebook now. So let me see if that will be possible. I only see the other one. So Teams is adding team to your team members. And so each profile, you can actually have, 5 profiles for the deal the way it's right now, or you can have more team members, 100 or 25 profiles. That's what we have. Each one gets the number of teams corresponding to that. You can see that for yourself, right? So you can add a team member, and that team member can be assigned a profile. They can be a marketer or sub user, all that stuff. So let me check one more time here if I'm getting any more questions. Okay. Yes. Okay. He's just okay. He's okay. So Fikri is gonna join us in the next few minutes. Actually, still struggling with it, but don't worry. We're still doing okay. Communication is where now you can actually send two things. Either you can do push notifications, which is the most powerful thing about Utas, right? Once you click on that link, it actually sends push notifications, so you can actually create. I haven't subscribed yet. I'm using a basic account, that's why. But you can actually turn on, push notifications. Let me see. Yeah, I haven't paid for this one yet. I mean, definitely, I have to do that. So this is U credits. This is what they call U credits. Now, in the deal, there is the personal one doesn't have a U credit. What this means is that you can actually integrate this with Cream email. Those of you who have it, and connect it and use the email credit from Cream, whereas this one comes with its own credits as well. So with the current deal for the agency, you get up to 100,000 email recurring credits that you can send from within. We'll check all the connections. The other one will have only 50,000 one time, so you have to buy your own credits after, and then there'll be one more. The other one doesn't have any email credits. Okay, so that's the differences, right? Customers will be your customers who will be showing up when they buy from you any digital product, or they go on your consultation list, all that stuff. You can definitely see them. So the consultation list will be the people who are coming here, whereas the customers will be the ones coming from the product, right? Orders, anyone who buys your stuff, you should be able to get them here. There is also, the products that you can create. So these are the digital products. I was actually playing with this one. Let's go here and see what happens. So there's different, set up digital products, content redirection. We talked about this earlier. You can enable video features here, upload the other additional settings. You can publish. So this is the digital product thing. This is the amount, the pricing, all this stuff, right? So, or you can do a redirection. As soon as they do this, you can do redirection. This is actually good if you're doing affiliate programs as well. Redirect URL to, and they see the message, right? So anytime the affiliate puts their own images, this is not a bad way to do it. Of course, we're talking about the buy link that now comes with the ability to sell things. That's actually amazing. Vouchers, if you want to create, coupon codes, this is a very good feature. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to see if we can do that. So it's actually the name, voucher code, minimum, the maximum, the total, start date, end date, particular product, all products, members only, one time per member, right? You can create, and of course, memberships is coming. Second, that's the next feature they're launching next. So this is what you have. And of course, it integrates with Public Connect. I think Zapier is coming soon, but you can actually create actual webhooks for the orders, the paid links, and paid data will be sent when payments completed, shipping, and complete the order. So this is for the WooCommerce. If you want to do any automations, right? Utas credits. This is where now the email thing comes. So with each deal, they're using Cream email in the background. So for those of you who, you can actually also send emails from within the system. So it's a benefit that you are getting if you buy the agency, which actually reduce the price from $4.99 to $3.99. to give you 100,000 annual emails. If you can send 100,000 emails a year, that's actually good. You get up to 25, no, 100 profiles, which means, so a profile is each login that you see here with its own its own profile, right? So yeah, this is just one profile. So 100 profiles. So each profile becomes custom domain. All that stuff comes with it. So let me talk to you about the profile thing when we were talking about earlier. You know how you can see profile setting? There is contact custom domain. Somebody was asking. This is the custom domain. Now integrations, of course, you can do, Google Analytics. You can do Facebook Pixel. You can do GDPR compliance notice on off, and then you can integrate your cream email. Now this is Fikri is coming. Okay, perfect. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around and let's see if Fikri is here. Let's do this. Okay. Oh. All right, Fikri, can you hear me? I think your volume is off. Hello, Fikri. Good. Your voice. Okay, let me say.
Hello?
Hello, hello, hello. Yes, yes. Now I hear you.
Ah, yes, at last.
Finally. Thank you for coming, Fikri.
Finally.
How are you?
Finally, yeah. How are you, bro?
Very good, very good. Good to see you and good to hear from you. So I know it's 2 a.m. for you. It's very late into the night.
Yeah.
So I was trying to go through the tool as quickly as possible. I don't think I have the right profile here with me, but you
Okay.
know, if you can go through it properly, that would be amazing. That would be fantastic.
We'll do.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So we're going now or
Yeah. We're already live. We're already live.
okay.
Right.
I'm going to share my screen for a
Yes.
minute.
Right.
Can you see it?
Mm, let me see. Yep, very clearly. Turn
Okay,
followers
thank you.
into loyal customers.
Okay. Okay. So I will begin now, right?
Right. Go ahead.
Okay. Bismillah. Thank you so much, everyone. Sorry for the delay, bad internet, my fault. No backups. So,
No problem.
so yeah. Let me introduce you to Utas. Utas. We called it content monetization platform. So perhaps most of you already know Utas as a link in bio platform. But yeah, we turn things around from our last launch with you. If I'm not mistaken, it's last year, correct? No?
And last year, October, yeah.
Yeah, okay, in October, yeah. So yeah, we fix things up and we improve it, we make it better. So yeah, here we are. So basically, with Utas, you can turn your followers into a loyal customer with your content. So the idea is to bring your content to one place. I know business nowadays have content from multiple resources and multiple platforms. So the idea is to create this some kind of content hub and then monetize your content from there. It's we like to call it an alternative way to monetize besides ads because most of the time what you can do with your content to monetize it is with ads or you sell your product on a different platform. Utas will make it easier for you to monetize it with for by selling your digital product or by selling your time with consultations. Okay,
Mhm.
so basically it's is all in one platform. You can sell, you can treat it as Gumroad meets Linktree, and they have a kid, so the kids will be Utas.
Right.
And I know nowadays content is a very time consuming effort, and but content, our content right now is real have a really short lifespan. So yeah, Utas will make it longer, and will make it, will make you can monetize the content longer. So the idea is we can do this by providing you with four basic steps. So it's Utas will provide you with the feed where people can see all of your content, and then the value where you can sell your product, and then brand for building your brand and maintaining your relationship with your customer. So yeah, will be diving to all these features one by one. Okay, so we'll begin with feed. Yeah, we'll begin with feed. So here's your profile. We call the mini site. So it's your, each of your account will have a multiple profile, or a multi website like this one. So like multiple link in bio. And you can use it for yourself or your client or anybody inside your organizations. And then you can customize your appearance, of course. Yeah, you can use our link. Every profile will get utas.me/ your profile name, or you can use it with your own custom domain. So all of your content will go through this profile or this mini website, and you can display it with your followers everywhere. Okay, you can auto post your content. You can select the source of your content. You can auto post it from your blog, from YouTube, or from podcast. Of course, there will be more of this. You can, and any source of content will can be auto managed inside the Utas profile. So here what this look like when you use it with your blog. So if you are a blogger or a media company, or someone who updates content regularly, which is nowadays will be everyone, and Utas will arrange all your content inside the profile very conveniently. So every time you update your profile, sorry, every time you update your content on your blog, on your YouTube, or on your podcast, it will appears on your profile like this one. So people didn't have to, stumble around. They didn't have to search your YouTube or blogs or Twitter or Instagram. No, you will have this content hub inside of your Utas profile, and of course you can see who enjoy your content, who see your content. There's all kind of statistics in there, and you can connect it to Google Analytics for more in-depth traffic data. And of course, that will not be all. For building your feed, Utas will provide you with built-in Instagram scheduler. It's not a reminder like any other apps. No, it's a direct scheduler. So you upload your picture and your captions and so on and so forth, and Utas will publish it for you. Okay. If Ali, if people have question, where can I see it,
Yes,
or we
I
will
have all
do
the questions
question
waiting
later?
for you. Yeah, I have all the questions here.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay. Thank you. I will go on then.
Right.
Okay, so that's the basic concept of feed. So the idea is to collect all your content in one single, easy to see feed for your followers. So you can just put your Utas link on your social media, either it's Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. So every time people go to your profile, they can see all your content in there, either it's long or new. You can pin your content exactly where you want them to be, so people can see it directly if they're visiting your profile. So profile basically is a mini website where all of your content is arranged and ready to see by your followers. And then there's a value. So after people come to your profile and they see all your content, they enjoy what you offering, you can sell them a digital product. The Utas can help you sell and deliver downloadable content, either is ebooks or videos, plugins or anything digital. You can sell it and upload and sell it, or you can publish your digital content somewhere else, and Utas will help deliver it to your customers. So right here, I give you an example. I give you how you can upload your own product like video or PDF ebooks. Utas will keep it safe by giving your PDF books bookmark. Watermark. Sorry, a watermark of the that contains the email address for the ebook purchasers. So when somebody upload your PDF or ebooks to like some pirated website, you can see who the ones that share your ebook, because his email will be on every page on those PDF. Okay, here's what it look like from your buyer's perspective. So people can purchase your ebook directly through Utas, and Utas will deliver the product to your customers, and they can download it anywhere. And then like you can see on the image on the right side, you can see the watermark, PDF page.
Right.
Okay, yeah. So that's how we protect your ebook. Of course, it's not perfect. Nobody, no digital product delivery is. But yeah, it's a way to protect your content. Okay, so the email, the buyer's email will be on every page,
Mm-hmm.
and it's automatically watermarked by Utas. So you just have to upload your PDF. Okay, you can choose if you want to make the watermark larger, like this picture in here, or you just want to small watermark on the bottom of your page so people don't get disrupted when they read your ebooks. You can choose it whatever you like. Okay, or like I said earlier, you can just put your links. If you host your digital product somewhere else, you can post your link in here. So every time somebody is purchasing your product, they will redirect it to that link, and they can claim their product or redeem their product on that page. So yeah, it's basically the same process. Your audience will never know the difference, or whether the product is delivered through Utas or through any third party platform. Yeah, so it's very flexible. And you can accept donations from your followers. Utas can do donations from your followers. You can give your followers a reward for a donation, or you just can accept a donation without any rewards. What I mean by that is you can sell your ebooks or video with any price. People can fill their own price. So every time they donate something, they get an ebook or video or anything. Or you just you know build a donation without giving them anything. You can do both. You can do anything. It's just very flexible. Okay, here's what it look like if you accept donations. So it's basic, lightweight page. It's very fast, and people can choose how they want to fill their donations, or you can populate the donations with uh, pre set up preset numbers in it. So you can add like $100 button or $200 button in there, so people don't have to tap in the donation box manually. Okay. Now, here's what's so unique about Utas. You can sell your time as a consultant. You can as you can offer your followers some kind of consultation services. you know. So when people click the consultation button on the left side, they will take into the consultation page on the right side. So you can choose how you want to be, how you want to sell your consulting services. Okay, and when people click the offering, they will, you can offer them two kinds of consultations. So it's video consultation and text consultation. Video consultation will give you some kind of calendly type of booking system. So people can choose the date to consult with you. So you can, of course, set up your availability. You can available every day, or you can just block your time for several hours a day for a consulting. So when people click it, they can choose their date and they can choose the time. And after that, they will have to pay first before your schedule is synced to your Google Calendar. So it's not like Calendly where everybody can schedule time with you and do uh I don't know, meeting every day. In Utas, people have to pay to to call you. You can make it free, of course, and you can make it pay it whatever your followers want you to. But basically, it's a pay for consultation feature. So besides a video, you can also offering text consultations. Yeah. So if you don't want to talk to them through video, you can over them a text consultation for more private conversation. So you can provide a consultation topic, and people can send you a question, and again they have to pay before you get a notification about a question, and you can respond the questions later inside Utas, and people will get notice via email or any other types of notifications. So it's a pay per, you can set it up for a pay per reply system, or you can just set it up to just one time consultation, and then you can just talk to them after they just pay one time. So it's very flexible. You can do anything with it. You can monetize it with a very creative ways. So if you didn't have any product yet, just sell your time. You just set up a consultations, and then offer it to your followers, and your followers can talk to you. Okay, and they can monetize their time. They can monetize it, hourly, or they can just monetize it whatever they like. Okay, so there will be nothing to download. There will be nothing to send. They just provide their time. Utas will provide them with Google Meet or Zoom link if they choose video consultations, or if they choose message consultations. You will get email notifications through Utas, and you can just reply the email from Utas to reply the question. So
So when you say
uh,
when you say text, does this mean email?
yeah, email and like threaded conversation inside the Utas dashboard.
Oh, it's
So
not. It's
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 both.
it's not text messages, right?
Yeah, it's not text messages,
Okay, so
but
maybe
we
maybe
call
you
it
should
text
maybe you
based
should call it email
consultations.
consultation.
Okay, I will. Okay, but it's just not email, because
It was a bit confusing. I
you can
thought
you
that
can
was
you can
text.
reply.
That was text message.
Okay, I will throw it to the
Or
team,
or written
and
or written communication or written consultation, something like that. Written
yeah,
replies,
okay,
something.
that's better.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay, thank you for your feedback.
No problem.
So yeah, you can just reply your email. So every time you get a question, you can reply your Utas email directly, and Utas will deliver your answer to your customers. So you will still have your email private. People will cannot see your email at all, or any other form of contact, unless you wanted to.
Right.
Okay, so it's very private. And anybody can ask you anything privately. The conversation is yours alone, and your customers alone. So yeah, it's a convenient way to sell like like psychological consultations or relationships or anything. So only you and your customers can read the conversation, and you can read the history. People can read their history to their question inside their emails or their dashboard. So you and your customers will get your own dashboard to look up your history of conversation. So think of it like private forums, okay, for you and your customers, but only both of you can see what you're talking to, okay. On the roadmap is Utas community, so you can set up Telegram groups, paid Telegram groups, so people can pay through Utas. So you can sell paid membership inside Telegram. So you can over the payment through Utas, and after they pay for joining your Telegram groups, Utas will onboard your new members inside the Telegram, and they it can be a flexible paid community. Yeah, it's coming soon. I don't know the ETA yet. I have to ask the team, but it's about a couple of months from now. And another on roadmap is affiliate feature. You can sell your ebooks and video and ask people to become your affiliates inside Utas. So yeah, again, it's very flexible and it's a very good way to generate traffic for your product and generate buzz through your product. So that is how you can make money through Utas. Very flexible. And not only that, you can customize your brand with Utas. You can customize your profile with a custom domain. You can change the appearance so it matches your business or your organizations. So you can uh, make whatever you want with it, and you can of course make a custom short link with for all your content. So if you have content from YouTube or blog or podcast, you can customize your own short branded link with Utas. Of course, Utas will give you your own Utas short link, but you can customize it with your custom domain link, whatever you like. Okay. So here it is. Here is what it's look like from the customer side. Okay. And the last and I think the most convenient feature on Utas is relationships. You can maintain a relationship with your customers without any third party help. And if you want to use third party help like Zapier or Pabli Connect, of course you can do it. Utas already can connect with Zapier and Pabli. So the idea is it started with a form, of course. So you can so you can build a audience or a subscribers and a leads. You can use a built-in form inside Utas, so you didn't have to connect Utas to any email autoresponder or anything, or you can embed uh, any HTML form from any email marketing service or from any kinds of forms. So you can choose if you already have your form, you can put it inside Utas, or you can just build it from scratch with Utas. And you can post your form in any content that published in Utas. So you can use any of your content from any source as a lead magnet page. You can put your YouTube content in Utas, and you can put the form for that YouTube content in Utas. So before people, go through your grow to your YouTube content, they can submit their email first. Again, it's very flexible. You can do whatever you want with it. You can embed your form code, and here's what it look like from the profile side or from your follower side. So they can click sign up, and voila, a form, a simple form, a mobile friendly form, easy to use, very fast. And that will not be all. Of course, Utas have their own mailers, so you can broadcast or blast your email from Utas without any third party integrations. Of course, you can connect Utas to Kirim.email because we're on the same company. But if you didn't want to, you can just mail it inside Utas. You can just log into Utas, and it has this very simple and easy to use mail editor. You just write your subject and just blast it. Very easy, nothing to learn in here. You just write your email and blast it, you know. And all of your subscriber inside Utas, or all of your digital product purchasers, or all of your customers from your consultation will get your email. Okay. And besides email, Utas will also have push notifications. You can send push notifications. So you can ask anybody that visits your Utas profile for push notification. They will get the push notifications offerings. And if they click allow, they will get a push notification from Utas from your profile. You can choose, you can send the push notification automatically if you publish new content, or you can send the push notifications manually. So again, it's very flexible and very fast, and it's the easy way to connect and communicate to your customers. On the roadmap, it's WhatsApp notifications. I know WhatsApp is a very popular platform in India, in Indonesia, so it just have to be there, So it's on the roadmap. It will be coming soon. So if people submit their phone number and it's a number for their WhatsApp, they will get notifications from Utas. Again, it's still on development. It will be their ETA later this year, but yeah, it will be there. I know WhatsApp is not your uh, everyday communication tools in the US or some of the country, but in Europe, in India, in Indonesia, WhatsApp is like their main chat channel. Okay. Of course, there will be statistic for push notifications and mailer. You can see the open rate as usual, or you can see on the push notification statistic how many people will click your message and so on and so forth. It's all there. And of course, Utas have their own customer login, so your customers can access their digital product, so your customer can access their consultation conversation anytime they want. They just log into your Utas profile and they can download their products again. They can see all the conversation if they do a consultation with you. So and of course you can combine, you can add your pixel, Facebook pixel and Google Analytics code inside Utas, so you can get this in-depth statistics, and of course you can retarget with Facebook ads. Okay. And we know managing it all and easy. So of course Utas will have their own team login, so you can invite your teams and give them access, whatever access you want them to. And so you can have your team manage your Utas account and Utas profile, because like I said, one profile can have one users or reward account can have multiple profiles. So sometimes after 10 or 20 profiles, things got complicated. So you can invite your team to help you manage your Utas account. That would be all. If you have any questions, I will happily answer it to you. So it's just a basic tool to make money, you know.
Okay, good, good. I have
Yeah.
a
So
lot
if you
of
want to make
questions.
money easily,
Yeah, I have a lot of questions for you. So
sure.
if you want to answer these questions, so does does each profile come with custom domain?
Yes,
Simple,
you can
easy.
set. Yeah, and
Good.
you can set the custom domains per profile. So yeah.
Someone is saying, is it like Shopper or AppSumo? So there's apparently another tool called Shopper, and so you can turn this into a store, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Or
But
only digital,
not
right?
physical store yet.
Not
Yeah,
physical,
only
so
for
more like
digital product.
digital product. Okay, in
Yeah.
that sense, yes, the e-commerce side is on the digital product.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now another question that people have is they have so many. Yeah, somebody saying that. Yeah, Chatanya is saying so many features. So the push notifications, it works on that link, right? Or does it work only on the custom domain as well?
It can work both ways.
So if you have the custom domain, or the Utas link, right?
Yeah, yeah. It can
Okay,
work both ways. Yeah,
good.
very flexible.
Okay, good. There's another question is, so for the transaction fee, can you explain that to people? And is it must that I use the transaction, I pay that transaction fee, the 2%?
Yeah, we already built the page to explain it to you.
Yes.
Yes. Can you share the link, Ali, for that page? Can you share your screen with the link that I give you?
You sending it now or from before?
No, I sent it like a couple days ago. Can
Yeah.
you find it or
So should I go the
wait?
extended? Yes, I'll open that. Yeah, I know that. Okay, that you're talking about.
Yeah.
So there is. Let me share that.
Wait, I will search this myself.
No, no, I have it here. The one that explains
Okay.
everything. You sent it from your the group, or you sent from your profile?
Yeah, I sent it to the Facebook group.
Okay, perfect. Yep, I have it here.
Okay, got it in here. You want to share your screen or
Okay, share it.
I will
Share,
do it?
share, share. You can
Okay,
share.
okay. So yeah, I will explain about the transaction fee. Can you see the landing page
Yep,
in the screen?
yep. Why transaction
Okay.
fee?
Okay. So if we have a question about transaction fee, we only charge you for a transaction that happening with Utas and deliver the product through Utas.
Okay.
So if you didn't want to pay the transaction fee, you can use any platform you use now to sell your products. You just embed the link or add the link in Utas, and Utas will bring your follower to that link. So you can use any e-commerce platform or any digital platform product to sell your product with Utas. Utas will make it easier for people to find your product, but the transaction fee will only be, when you're using Utas as your product digital product platform. So the transaction fee will only charge when you deliver your product with Utas, either it's ebooks or videos or anything. Okay, we
Perfect.
uh, we explain everything in this page. Ali will share the
I'll
link
share this
later.
link
You
with you.
can
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah you can read it. It's very clear.
Okay.
Yeah, what we use it for? We use it for protecting your account. We use it for automate product delivery, and we use it for third-party API integrations. So
Uh,
yeah, the explanation is everywhere in here, and
so
you
this
can
is optional.
choose. Yeah, this is optional, and you can choose who will pay for the transaction fee. Is it your customer or yourself? You can
Okay.
if you set it up to your customer will pay extra 2% for any price that you set up.
Mm-hmm.
If you choose to pay it yourself, Utas will cut 2% for every transaction that successful.
Okay, perfect.
Again, it's very flexible.
Do you do you
So
do
yeah,
you do, do you collect the payments, or how do you collect the 2%?
yeah, Utas can collect a payment. You just connect your Stripe or PayPal account inside the Utas, and Utas can help collect the payment after you connect your Stripe or PayPal.
So how do you okay, the payment sum goes to you directly, that the transaction fee goes to you directly, or do I have to pay you later on?
No, it's all automatic.
It's automatic, so you can, okay,
Yeah,
so that means you can charge customers for this. Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
yeah. So
So is it
just
only on
set
the
it up
digit?
inside.
Is it only on the digital product also, but also on the consultation?
Yeah, both. And any transaction that goes through Utas you will get you or your customer will get charged for a transaction fee.
So if my
So yeah,
consultation
consultation
is
any platform.
zero, if I'm charging zero for my appointments, or it's free, is that possible?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, perfect. So there'll be
Yeah,
no transactions. Okay. I
yeah.
saw that when somebody is doing the registration page for the consultations, I saw that you had the customer has to sign up as Utah's customer also.
No. No,
Oh,
they want they didn't have to have Utas account, and it's your customer account will only be yours. So it's not. on Utas platform, if that makes sense. So people didn't have to have Utas profile for consultation for doing consultation with you.
Okay, good,
Yeah.
excellent,
So it's a separate membership platform.
good. There's more questions here. Let
Yeah,
me.
so here's the what Utas will charge the transaction fees for. So for digital product consultation and Telegram memberships coming soon, so you can create a paid membership
Very good.
with Telegram through Utas. So people pay through Utas, and then Utas will onboard your new member to Telegram. If you do that, Utas will take a transaction fee from you. Of course, you can use any other Telegram fee monetization platform. You can just put the link inside Utas and done. You will not get a transaction fee
Good. How many
anywhere.
payment
So
gateways can you connect to this, other than Stripe? You just mentioned Stripe.
yeah, for now it's only Stripe and PayPal.
Okay.
PayPal is coming soon. It will be here in a couple of days.
Okay. PayPal and
But
Stripe, and nothing
yeah,
from Indonesia or any other payment gateways for another country.
uh, it's it's on a discussion, but we didn't know which country yet will be we will be prioritize it. So yeah, if you have any feedback, which country we have to prioritize, please let us know. We will connect it to any other payment gateway, of course.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Another
Yeah,
question. Integration. So I know that you have Google Meet, right?
yeah.
Facebook, Pixel, WhatsApp. What else? What other public connect is there? What else is there?
Public Connect is there, Zapier is there. So yeah, the big two is there, of course. Zapier
Right.
is there, and then the beloved connection platform, the Pably Connect is there too. For now, it's just
Basic.
those two for connection platform. So only Zapier and Pebble for now. But again, we open for feedback. Just give us your feedback, and I think Zapier and Pablo will be enough. I don't know what other platform you use, but I think Zapier and Pablo will be enough because everything is there. You know.
Good. So, yeah, there's a lot of people who are going to use that feature, those features.
Yeah.
Okay. And another question is, let me see. There was a few questions here. I answered this question. So, is this a good fit for affiliate marketer? If somebody's an affiliate marketer, is this something good for them?
If you can put if you want to publish any link,
Yes.
including an affiliate link, of course you can do it with Utas.
Yeah, so you can put all your links as you keep adding them. People get push notifications, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Could you do a demo of how the push notifications work?
Sure. I'm going to log into my account first. Wait
Yeah.
a minute. Yeah. Oh, before that, I
Yeah.
can show you how Utas can. So, people already DM me, Ali, believe it
Right.
or not.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I
okay.
will just answer it here. Can I answer it here?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So people already DM me and ask how exactly Utas will turn my follower into a loyal customer, because the website is said Utas will transform your follower into loyal customer, and you can see it on my first slide later that I told you that Utas can turn your follower into a customer. So people ask how exactly will Utas do it. So yeah, I'm going to answer it here. So we have this dedicated page called Journey. So you can see how Utas will guide your follower into your customer in every step of customer journey. So
Right.
in customer journey, of course, people will start with you will start with awareness, of course. With awareness, Utas can do custom short link, SEO friendly profile. You can do custom appearance, custom domains, social media, and paid pixel, anything. So I will give this link to Ali so you can learn it for
Right.
yourself.
Right.
And the next step within customer journey is educations. Yeah, you can educate your customers with your feed, Instagram scheduler, forms, pin posts, mailers, push notification, etc. And then product delivery, of course, you can deliver your digital products, software licenses. So if you have plugins or software licenses that you want to sell with Utas, Utas can accept the payment and deliver the license through Utas via API. So you can read the documentations in here. So if you sell like a WordPress plugin, but no idea where to host your plugins and where to deliver the software license or plugin license, you can use Utas to do it. Again, consultations, donations, paid membership, etc. And then in the acquisition step, Utas can provide a discount or voucher or wholesale prices for physical product coming soon. Payment gateway with Stripe, upselling, cross-selling coming soon. Order notification via Telegram, WhatsApp notification coming soon, and forwarder and rotations.
Right.
In the activation side, onboarding usage, Utas can assist you to onboard your customers to your product. And of course, for support, Utas have already have built-in team logins, live chat integrations with Talk2 and Chris. So you can add live chat support inside your Utas profile. And how about loyalty? Of course, there's a schedule post for new posts to attract all your previous customer to your profile for so they can back again. Product bundling, mailer, push notification, Google Analytics, everywhere. So I will give this link to Ali so you can learn how Utas can assist you to make your follower to your loyal customer. And it's a very beautifully designed page. So yeah,
Good. So
yeah, I will give you
it's
this link, Ali.
utas.io/journey. It's easy.
Yeah, utas.io/journey.
Right, right. Okay, and let me see if there's more questions coming. Okay, great. Everybody likes that. Okay, excellent, excellent. Any more questions, guys? If you have any more questions, I think I've been going through most of them. And again, the transaction fee is optional. If you're hosting PDFs and everything there, they will get their cut. The good thing is you can charge your customers that,
Yeah,
and then they pay for it. You don't have to worry about it, right? At the
yeah,
end of the day, you get your exact number. Yeah. So this is the product. Yeah, this is the dashboard. So in the English version of utas.io, I had
yeah.
the language in English setting, but then I saw some other Indonesian language there.
Now your account is
The old one.
you know your account is a test account, so it's
So,
not the version that the customers will get. So
okay.
yeah, yeah. Here it is. So here's your main Utas
Oh, this is a new
dashboard.
one.
It's my personal profile.
Okay. So this one has I see
Okay.
bank accounts. What does that mean?
Yeah, you can set your bank account in here, so you can accept payments from Utas. Utas will automate the payment delivery with withdrawal to your bank account. So bank account is for your bank accounts.
Right. Right,
No
right.
explanation needed.
Just for
Yeah,
that.
so push notification is inside this menu. Communication, can you see it?
Yeah. Very well. Under Teams, yes.
Okay, yeah, communications in here.
Yeah.
So you can see there's a two types of communications: mailer and push notifications.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So each of communication or mailer and push notification delivery, you will need the Utas credit or U credit. Again, there will be a page for explaining what is U credit. So you can see it, and here you see all of the digital thing purchasers will get free Utas credit, and for the highest tier you get a recurring digital credit. So it will be topped up every year and is a very large of
That's
a
a lot
number
of
of
email.
digital credit. Yeah. So
100,000.
you can choose. Yeah. So you can choose your ways to communicate. You can compose the email. So I will show you the email editor. It's very simple. Write your subject, write your email, and then just send. You can see the custom personalization below, so you can put your customer name, customer phone, customer address inside your email for personalizations, and of course you can send push notifications in here. You know, Yeah, so you can see the notification list, and you can create new notification. Of course, you can set the auto push notification for a new post. You can turn it off, of course, or you can send your push notification manually. You can choose which links you want to send. You can write your message, and you can schedule it or send it immediately. You can see the preview in here. So if you write something, you can see the preview in here. Okay, and then you can schedule it or send it directly. Okay, sorry, send it immediately.
Right.
If you use custom domain, your custom domain will appear on your push notifications. So if you use like digitalthing.io, it will appear on your push notification. But if you use Utas link, Utas will appear on your push notifications.
Yeah. Your credit
Yeah,
is
very
basically,
simple, not nothing fancy.
yeah. Somebody's asking what's you credit. So that is like the emails, right? Is that the email?
Yeah,
Is this
so you
is
can
if somebody has cream email, do they need you credits?
no,
No, you don't need. So if you have
no,
cream, you don't need. Those people who
no.
don't
You can
have
just
cream email, this is what they're getting, right?
actually, if you have any other email notification platform, you can just integrate it with Utas.
So you don't
If you
need.
have Kirin.email, yeah, if you have Kirin.email, of course, you can directly sync your customer data to Kirin.email. The process, it will be very seamless.
Yeah.
If you have any other email marketing services, you can connect it through Zapier or Publi. Or
Right.
again, you can put your form, custom form, HTML form, any form through Utas, so people can submit their form through Utas. And again, you didn't have to use it. Utas is very flexible. Okay,
Okay.
so
So
yeah, you,
transaction costs are
okay,
flexible if you're not going to use them for delivery. Also,
yeah,
emailing is flexible if you're not going to use the email system of the platform. So it's very easy.
yes,
But because if you buy the agency, you get 100,000 recurring
yes,
annual. That's actually
yes,
really generous. I think just the price of that is enough to justify the whole $399. Just that feature
yeah,
alone, the emailing. And
yeah,
yeah, I think that's fair to say that 100,000 emails every year. That's crazy.
yeah.
Okay. Let's go here. Another question that I have. If if you have this is the review list, right? These are the can you show us a quick test of how the appointment system works? Just quickly on your
Okay,
account.
okay, okay. This is my personal profile.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's in Bahasa Indonesia, but I can get you through it. Okay,
Click on translation at
so
the top, turn into English so we can follow.
okay. Uh, I didn't have
You don't have a plugin for that?
translation.
Okay, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. Okay. So basically, the top button is consultation button, and the bottom this CTA is
The
for
products.
you can add more CTA. You can add as much button or CTA as you like. Again, you can customize your appearance. Here's the basic appearance of Utas. So
Right.
here's all of my content from any other source. My podcast is here, my blog is here, anything is here. Okay. And when people visit this, if you visit my profile, you can visit it through utas.me/fikri. My profile will ask you for push notification, of course, because I visited this regularly. There are no push notification prompt. Okay, so
Right.
I click my consultation button, and you can choose what you want to consult to me with. You can just ask me for a coffee. Kopi is coffee in Indonesia. Yeah. So I can help you with your landing page. Okay. I can help you with your remote company. Anything. You can just add any consultation product as you want in here. Okay. And
Right.
here's for the video consultations. You can also consult with me by message or by email, as Ali said, email consultations. So you can choose how you want to consult with me. So you can create this with your Utas profile. The process will be very seamless. Here's the consultation looks like in the dashboard. Okay, you can see by video, by text, and here's my list of consultations as you see. Okay, and here's the consultation by message. I can open this, but you can see it is very active consultations.
Right.
You can make good amount of money without any product. Okay, you just sell them your time. You can choose the duration of 45 minutes, an hour per consultation. It's
Yes.
up to you. Okay,
At the
so I
top,
will choose this.
yes. Click on the video. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, I will choose this one, and your customers will have to choose the date. So I will choose like 10th of August and click apply, and
So
I can
so
choose
that was really, that's a UI issue for me. When I went on the click on the 10, right? I
mhm,
didn't
mhm.
I didn't I didn't click on apply. I was expecting the date, the time to pop up quickly. So is there
Ah,
any way we can, without manually hitting, apply, when I click on the
I
10th, it
will.
should automatically pop up the the time, This is very powerful.
Yeah,
Because
yeah. I will talk this to the team. We do this because some people get frustrated because they keep accidentally click the date.
right.
But yeah, we'll figure something out.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can choose the time.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I will choose 13 p.m. At 1 p.m. Sorry, and then I can write my question in here. Yeah,
Hmm. Hmm.
write. Sorry, write the subject, and then ask the questions. Blah blah blah. And then you can invite your friends. So you can invite your friends for a video call
Right.
because some problems are so complicated. Yeah, and you can insert your guest email. You will get notify how many people will be on these conversations. Okay, so
Right.
inside the dashboard we will get notify how many people will be in here, and then you click next, and then people have to write their names, yeah, their phone numbers. It's optional, of course.
Right.
WhatsApp and phone is optional, and then the email. And if you provide them with vouchers, they can use the discount coupons or vouchers in here. And then they can choose how they want to pay. It's the Indonesian version of Utas, but if you use the international version, the credit cards will appear in here.
Mhm.
Okay, and then click next. After the payment is done, you will get notification through email or Telegram. Again, you choose how you get notified, and then you can see the detail. You will get all the detail inside the email, and then you automatically will get the Google link Meet in here.
Mm.
Okay,
Right.
so you and your customer will get the same link, and your customer will get notified 15 minutes before the consultation begin. You and your customer will get notification before the consultation begin with the meeting link or Google Meet link inside. So, of course, all this process will sync on your Google Calendar. So after people do a reservation in here, you will get notifications, and it will automatically be synced with your Google Calendar, and Google Calendar will give you a separate notification, of course, so you didn't have to worry to miss your consultation sessions. It
Right.
will not happen. Okay. Of course, you can reschedule it inside Utas. You can reschedule your dates.
Right.
Your customer will get notifications. If they choose to approve your new schedule, you will get notification again. So yeah, it's very seamless process. It's very flexible.
Great. Great. Any more questions? Let me check. Uh, getting more questions here. No. Let me see more credits.
Okay, I get two feedback from you. A very good feedback from you. Thank you. I will forward this to the team.
No problem. No problem. Excellent. So, guys, if you have any questions, we're gonna come back more lives for sure. We don't want to take more than 2 hours from you. In the meantime, I can do the. I agreed. Well, I made a promise that if somebody sticks around until the end, that we're gonna run a raffle. Whoever wins, luckily will get a free code. Okay, and I can. This is the this is something that's coming from Digital Think. I didn't even tell Fikri that we'll do this, but uh, this is just to say thank you to those people who have been here and been around, right? If you have any questions or anything, any feedback, please. Yeah, the booking calendar, useful integration. Yeah, this is very powerful. I mean, this is crazy, guys. Look, you have push notifications coming from all your links. You have the short link, the space that displays all these products. Then you can sell digital products right there. You can send emails. You can have Google Meeting calendar right there, connecting everybody. You can email them back and forth with the text consultations. You can do a lot of things here with the webhooks. There's a lot of possibility. So many good things in this product, and I like the fact that you can protect the digital content with this watermark, right?
Yeah,
You
and if you upload your video, so if you want to sell your video,
yeah.
people cannot download the video. So we
Oh,
host it. Yeah, we host that on a secure platform. So
so
your customers can only watch the video if they're login to their Utas customer login.
ah, okay. So when you say Utas customer login, I have my own let's say custom domain. Will my customer login also be my custom domain?
Yeah. So
Okay, perfect.
here's I will show you the customer login. So
Yes.
here's my Utas profile again. So they can click this button here. Of course, the login instruction will be on your customer's mail notification every
Okay.
time they purchase the digital product. They can here's the customer login section. They can log in with Facebook or email address. There will be no password. Okay, so after customer they submit their email address, Utas will send the login code through their email. So no password will be stored on your dashboard. No password will have to be remembered by your customer. So yeah, it's a safe platform.
A lot of features. Yes, I agree.
Yes.
Hundreds and hundreds of features. So especially with the digital protection, I like that part. And
Yeah.
with the PDFs, you say there'll be when they download, the customer's email will be there, right?
Yeah.
Can I choose to put a name on it rather than the email?
Uh, Currently, no, but yeah, it's a good feedback. Yeah, but email is more sensitive, so people tend not to share the digital product with their emails on it.
Okay, good. Can
Yeah.
you just create a digital product and give the link without having to go to buy? Like somebody can go download this link without buying.
You can set the price for zero. You can choose your price as you can see here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can allow customers to pay what they want.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
can put zero. You can suggest a zero. You can enable the custom amount.
Mm-hmm.
you know so when customer put zero in it, they get the product for free.
And yeah, that should be on the product page. In the starter plan, we're not now the logo is there. If it says it's there, whatever is there, it's there, right? Uh,
Yeah, okay. And again, you can you if you don't want to host your digital product on Utas, you can redirect them anywhere you
how do
know
you create private content? It says create private content.
Define private content.
Yeah, like how do you store the digital products? Adding product.
I didn't
Okay,
get the
so this
questions.
is the product
Yeah.
that I'm adding, right?
Uh-huh.
Where do I upload the PDF?
Here, inside the Utas product platform, in here, you can choose your to host the product in Utas.
Yes. And
Okay.
where is the link? How do you upload
Here,
the PDF?
here it is. Downloadable content. You can browse it.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
Uh-huh.
So that's
Or you can
straightforward.
you can
Okay.
you can put. your file URL again. You can, if
Mhm.
you didn't want to, if you didn't want or if your product is already hosted somewhere else, you can put your links here, but you will not get the custom watermark if you put your link in here.
Okay. What
Yeah.
if
Some
this is a URL? How will it be securely connected, or how does that work?
Yeah, Utas will of course hide the links.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I of course I will recommend you to upload your file directly through Utas, of course. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
but if you choose to use your host your file somewhere else, you can do that too.
Hmm.
And Utas will protect your account, but after Utas deliver the product to your customers,
Right.
it's beyond our control.
Mm. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. And so when you are saying video, I can only put one video at a time, or more than one video.
Yeah, for now you can only put one video at a time. Again, Utas is a simple product delivery and product solution. So
Okay. Just one video.
you can, yeah, you cannot host a complex online course in here, of course not. Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
But yeah, if you just record your video with your phone or basic camera setup, or just basic video to explaining something, you
There's no
can.
storage limit, right?
For video, actually no. I have to check it. Don't take my word for it. I have to check it because
Hmm.
video. Uh, we use third party secure video hosting for Utas. So in those third party, there will be no limits. Your video will get encrypted. We cannot see it. Even we in Utas cannot see it.
Right.
The third party provider cannot see it, and people can download it. So it's very secure.
Good, good. How much cloud space we get for uploading the content? Yeah, that's the same answer.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's mostly all the questions. So let's see. Now I think we're gonna have to do the raffle for everybody. We're gonna talk about these guys more. I'm gonna come live more days, explain things. Do more testing. So let's see. We have a few more days, to the launch, and so let's see if I can share my screen. You got. So let's see here.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can I can stop it. Yeah.
Okay, you can stop it. Yeah. I guess you have no choice because I took over the controls.
Okay.
Right. So let's see, guys. We're gonna do the raffle. So everybody, just put your name in the comment section. Okay, so I can copy paste from the screen here. I'm not gonna share my screen until I put everybody's name on the system that I'm gonna use for now. So put your names here, guys. Good live. Thank you. We really appreciate your presence. Tej Pratap Patra. Okay. Let me see who's here. Okay. We're here. Okay. Let's see who's here. Oh my lord. Somebody's. Okay. Let's see. Everybody's. Okay. Here we go. Where is the live video? Need to bring it to the top. Everybody put your name. Then I can copy and paste it easily. Oh my goodness. Facebook messed up the Facebook app. Okay, let me post this. Okay, and put this as the pin to featured. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. I can see it's only right. It's only right. Okay, let's do, guys. Let's do. Lots of mess here. Okay, let's do here. We're gonna use wheelofnames.com. I will share the screen when I have all the names on it. Wheelofnames.com. It's a simple tool. Gonna put everybody's name here. Oh no. It wants me to be showing ads on the side, so no problem. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I guess I have to put everybody's name. Let me copy paste this quickly. Everybody's name here.
Okay, got it.
So the first one to go was, let's see here, Ben Amara. Okay, we're gonna put Ben Amara here. Two. We have only 16 people. This is good. It's gonna make my life easy. Sean, my good friend from. Okay, good, 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 good. Sean is here. Sean Dave. We have Paula Caldwell. We have Eran Soa. Don't put more than one name. Eran Soa. Junior Gonzalez, JR. That guy was in the LTD space since like the 70s. I remember. That name is familiar. Evans Alias or Elias Evans. You have a good name. I don't know how you can pronounce it. Am I doing it? Am I saying it right? UL Fernando Ortiz. Fernando Ortiz. Ortiz, yeah. Sounds like a Brazilian football soccer player. Okay, I have Sudeep. Oh, I have Amin. Oh, I have Mandy. Okay, Mandy. Mandy's here. Mandy Singh. I have. uh, I have Amin Osman. Okay, Sudeep Bagale. It's not bagel, right? Bagale. Okay. Uh, Manpreet Singh. Good. I have no sound. What? What? No sound? Yes, the winner. Who is the winner? Okay. Ivan? Ivan, you here? Ivan Curly. Okay, Paula is here. Do you guys hear me? People are saying they can't hear me. Wait a minute. 14 people here.
I can clear you. I can hear you good.
Yeah. They sound, of course, yeah. You skip the name Muhammad. Tej Pratap. Okay. Where's Oh, Tage. Oh man, Athlete Joseph's here. We have who else? There's Tej Pratap. Man, I got one. So listen, guys. I have Ben Amara, Sean Dave, Paula Caldwell, Aaron Soa, Junior Gonzalez, Ivan. I can't say this. Come on, it's hard. Fernando Ortiz, Mandy Singh, Amin Osman, Sudeep Bagale, Manpreet Singh, Ivan Kirlik, Sirlik, Atli Joseph, Tej Pratap. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa. Hector's joining. Hector, are you here? Okay, I'm gonna add him there. No problem. Hector Carrion. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Oh gosh. So we have a few people. Are you guys sending people links so they can win? Hector's here. You're fine. Okay, Pranish Patel. Okay, I'm here. Pranish Patel is joining now. Okay. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna do that also. Are you sure Pranish Patel is trying to somebody else joining from another plot? Okay, that's a real profile. Okay. Pranish Patel. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna share my screen and then that's it. I close it. Okay. Why is it that I see 14 people now? Everybody just got in and then they didn't. They disappeared? Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna share my screen. Alrighty. Those are the names. It's showing all the names here. Let me just make it bigger. So you can all see that. That closes the game, right? So look at this, guys. Look at all your names looking good. Everybody's name looking good here. Okay, this is actually really cool. Now, when I click on it, right, it's going to say, can everybody see the names? Yeah, sometimes it could be laggy, I guess. Things have been going messy with Facebook last few days. Okay, so I'm gonna, if I run this, what's gonna happen is this is gonna run and it will randomly stop at somebody's name and that person will contact me to get a free Utas code startup plan. I'm actually doing this from Digital Things Pocket. We will do more of this, okay? So I guess we gotta do some promotion and it's at our own cost. It has nothing to do with the developer. So every time I do a live, we can do one of these ones. Okay. Now, yeah, not lagging for you, so everybody can see it, fair and square. I have no control over. It's not like one of those things that they tell you to enter, and then there's always some random winners with funny names. Here is real live screen. You guys can see it. I'm just gonna run it. You can all see your names on it. And when I do that, then we'll see. So let's do 1, 2, 3. Everybody pray to God that you win this money, and we'll go from there. Okay. So Ben Amara is the winner, and you can see that for yourselves, guys. Okay. And everybody else didn't win, but that guy Patesh guy almost won, right? And congratulations, that was fair and square. And I guess Ben Amara, you can send me a message with your email. I will set you up with a code, and you can go from there. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please share the deal with your friends. Talk about it. Share in the groups. Be the ambassador, especially Ben Amara. Okay, make sure you go test it and share what you have it. But this is an amazing deal, guys, and I'm sure there's no one tool that's alternative to, switchy, and then does all these other things, including push notifications. I don't even know which other deal that does that. Like a short link with push notification, with products, digital product protection, including videos. This is amazing, right? Excellent, excellent. So send me the code. Yeah. All right. So guys, that's we're gonna do one more or two more down the road for this launch, and I want you guys to share this. Especially TikTok is very powerful right now, and a lot of people are on TikTok. So you will have really, you will do well with this tool if you have customers who use TikTok, right? Because they have the traffic there. They need a buyer link that now links their products to this, everything they have. Like they can sell a lot of things there, right? They can sell the consultations, the digital products, all that stuff. So I guess that's it. Any questions? Okay, I guess that's the end of it for today. Thank you so much, Fikri. We really
Thank you,
appreciate you.
bro.
We really appreciate that you have chosen again digital thing to launch with us. We didn't launch deals because I said before you came, I was telling everyone that I decided not to launch deals this year unless I really know who I'm launching the deal with. And because we have a history of launching deals together, because we have history of you protecting your customers, making sure that if although you are not perfect, you always give your best, and that you're always willing to listen, take feedback, and improving the products, and that your deals are one of the best in the LTD space in terms of safety of the investment of these customers. And I hope
Ah,
people
thank you,
understand
bro.
that, right? Thank you. We really appreciate you. We'll come back more, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good evening.